Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to make a ChatGPT chatbot and how to instruct the GPT based on the instruction file and knowledge. Here I have created a fake profile. It's the bio, it's the person's daily routine, it's the financial details and daily diet plan. Here you can add some thoughts, goals, policy, work related stuff, and you can download and upload this file here. And like I have uploaded the CSV, so I think you can find this in my GPTs. Here it is. Click add it, go to configure and click on the update. Okay, it's the my instruction, attachment is the knowledge, React as my assistant, my all details is in the knowledge file, confirm the PIN for verification if it's me or not. Actually it's for the financial transactions or anything personal. Now I can protect any details using this PIN, and that's it. Let's get back, let's try. Hi, I am Rana. Okay, now it's asking if I need something personal or related to the financial, then I must have the verification PIN. So I'm going to invite Alex. What's the Alex for dinner? What's the idea? Consider his dietary preferences and restrictions. You can see. Can you please check what's the suitable time for dinner? You can see he Alex here it's not helping with Alex personal schedules, but you can instruct if you want to share the daily routine and personal schedules. What is the monthly expense of Alex? Okay, let's try with the wrong PIN. It's it's not verified. Look, after the PIN verification, it's now providing some details. So basically the idea is you can upload the upload the policy of the company. You can upload your thoughts and share this chatbot with others to get the answer when you are busy or not available. So that's a simple step. Thank you.